Hello students, welcome to the course Software Design and Modeling presented by Department of Information Technology, Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. In this video, you will learn topic 1.6 4 plus 1 view from Unit 1 Object Oriented Methodologies and UML. This is the outline of the topic. We shall see the different views of a software system: logical view, implementation view, use case view, process view, and deployment view. 4 plus 1 view architecture of software system is all about capturing the strategic aspects of the high level structure of a system. In order to be able to capture all the essential aspects of the system architecture, UML defines 4 different views of the system: the logical view, the process view, the implementation view, the deployment view. All these are integrated by a fifth view, and that is the use case view. So this is the block diagram of 4 plus 1 view architecture of a software system. So here you can see that there are these particular views. They uses various diagrams of UML to present that particular view. So the logical view uses the class diagram, the state chart diagram, or the object diagrams, and it is the aspect that is seen with this view is the vocabulary and the functionality of the system software. Whereas the process view, in the process view again the class diagram and object diagrams are being used, and here the perspective is the performance of the system, the scalability of the system, and throughput of that particular system. In the implementation view, the component diagrams are used, and the purpose is the system assembly and configuration management. In deployment view, the diagram used is deployment diagrams, and the purpose is system topology, distribution, delivery, and installation. And the view which binds all this is the use case view, and the use case diagram and interaction diagrams are used in this particular view, and it is the behavior of the system which is specified by using this particular view. So in the descriptive form of this particular views, the logical views captures the vocabulary of the problem domain as a set of classes and object. The emphasis is on showing how the objects and classes that compose the system and implement the required system behavior. The process view models the executable threads and processes in our system as active classes. It is really a process oriented variation of the logical view and contains all the same artifacts. The implementation view models the files and components that make up the physical code base of the system. It is also about illustrating dependencies between components and about configuration management of sets of components to define a version of the system. The deployment view models the physical deployment of components onto a set of physical computational nodes such as computers and peripherals. It allows you to model the distribution of components across the nodes of a distributed system. And finally, the use case view of all other views derived from the use case uh, view. This view captures the basic requirements for the system as a set of use cases and provides the basis for the construction of the other views. So like this, uh, there are 4+1 views of the software system, and the system uh, the perspective in each of these particular views is different. So all these particular views, they give the very different angles of the system. With this we come to the end of this particular topic, 4+1 view. In the next topic we shall see the object oriented analysis process and use case modeling from the next unit, that is object oriented analysis.